I became an architect because of my father only. He's the inspiration to me because as a kid, I love watching him making the sketches and doing the discussions and many of the ideas turning into the reality. So that fascinates me a lot. His working desk was like a treasure chest for me, with lots of sketches over there and models and tools, which is actually a sort of magical kit for me. And that inspired me a lot. He explained me what the importance of the line, how the single line can create such a huge difference to the design. My creative process is driven by nature, because the beauty of nature drives me a lot, and whatever the spaces we design, we make sure it's very functional and embrace technology, and at the same time the natural elements should be there. There should be a perfect balance between indoor and outdoor. When we work on all these three things, the design is automatically bound to come very beautiful and functional. I am a nature lover, and this office where we are sitting at, this is our office studio. So this is a true example of that. So this whole building is inspired by the tree, and a tree which is tilted on the one side because it's blown away by the wind. As in the case of tree, the tree trunk, it carries the weight of the cantilevered branches. Same way in this is office building. The central columns are there and which supporting the cantilevered slabs. And the fins act as branches because it protects the interiors of the building to get the harsh sun. It acts as a leaves to that, and it gives a kind of shade also, and at the same time you can have the view of the outside and it cuts the glare, and the whole building is sustainable. So we have used radiant heating and cooling. Load on AC is like very less. It is a very energy efficient building because the groundwater has been run in the floors through the pipelines. In the winters, the whole floor gets heated. It is such a densely populated area, this building. The studio has been designed in such a way that you have the greenery on all the three sides. AI will make architecture faster, smarter, more creative. And because of AI, we get so much of data, which will be helpful for us to design the building and to take right decisions. The real design comes from heart of the human beings only. And when we say that wow feeling of that buildings comes only when the architect designed it from their heart. So that comes from there only. So it will be a helpful tool, but the real feeling of the design will come from the people. I see future of architecture blending eco-friendly design and technology and cultural meaning. Building will work more in natural environment using technology, and at the same time, you should not lose the feel of human and welcoming. My advice to the young architects is to stay curious, design with a purpose, listen to the people's needs, and use technology, but let it not take away the warmth, the cultural depth, which make the space so special.